We're Wellington Electricity. As a lifeline utility, it's important we're prepared for any sort of emergency that might disrupt your power supply. We can restore power in a matter of hours for most things, but major events like large earthquakes or cyclones could cause widespread damage to our network, resulting in longer outages. We've already reduced the time it would take to restore power after an earthquake with our Earthquake Readiness Program. However, it could still take days, weeks or longer until our network's fully up and running again. Roads could be badly damaged, making access difficult for our field crews, as well as backup teams from other regions. And in severe weather, we need to wait for the wind to die down for the safety of our crews. During a major event, we'll prioritise power restoration to the largest impacted areas first, as well as hospitals and other critical services, so long as we still have a connection to the national grid. We'll then work on fixing smaller faults, starting with any reported safety issues first. Temporary fixes might be needed to get the power back until there's time to make permanent repairs. All this could take weeks, if not months. We could reduce restoration times further with more investment to make our network extra resilient. This would mean customers paying more for power. To help us find the right balance between cost and resilience, we regularly seek the opinions of Wellingtonians on what's important to them. To find out more, visit our Smarter Power portal at wellelectricity.co.nz/smarterpower.